Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I will show you how to change your language from English to Hindi or any other Indian languages by using your JioPhone 1 and 2, and this video is only for Indian peoples. So nowadays this Jio is the one of the largest network service provider in India, and this JioPhone is also launched by this Jio network. So nowadays most of the Indians are using this JioPhone. At same time, they does not know how to change this JioPhone language from English to our regional language. So if you have the same doubt, just follow me friends. So let's go to our tutorial, and here I show the steps by using my JioPhone 2. But the same method also works on JioPhone 1 and 3 because all the models have the same operating system and the setting location is also common. So how to do it? So first of all, open your menu section by simply press the menu key. So in this menu section you can go to settings. So in settings section, in top it shows the some settings categories, but you can select personalization settings and the second one. So here you can scroll down and then locate language settings. So if you want to change it, just click to open it. So here it shows lots of languages, so you can choose your regional language. So once you change it, also you can choose your input method language by simply go back to the one step and then select input methods. So if you want to change this input language, you can use this section, so otherwise you can leave it. So this is the way you can easily change your JioPhone language by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Techans, and thanks for watching.